Welcome back to the second installment of our guide on building a budget-friendly food storage system. In part 1, we focused on starting a prepper pantry with basic essentials. Now we're shifting gears to delve into more detailed strategies for food storage, sharing a curated list of the top 20 items essential for any emergency preparedness kit. Let's dive in, keeping it real and yes, with a lighthearted approach because who said food storage can't be fun? Our journey begins with the philosophy of categorizing food storage into short-term, 6 months to 1 year, medium-term, 2 years or more, and long-term, 5 years or more. This system helps keep your pantry organized and ensures you're rotating stock, preventing waste. Imagine finding that can of beans from the last decade, not a pleasant surprise. The concept of dividing food storage into short-term, 6 months to 1 year, medium-term, 2 years or more, and long-term, 5 years or more, isn't just a contemporary prepper's approach, but a technique deeply rooted in the survival strategies of ancient civilizations. For example, the Egyptians and Romans were adept at preserving essentials like grains for extended periods using granaries and clay pots. Today, the relevance of efficient food storage is underscored by striking statistics. On average, an American family discards about $1,600 worth of food annually due to spoilage and overpurchasing. This figure not only highlights the economic impact of food waste, but also points to the potential benefits of adopting a structured approach to food storage. With a tiered system, households can optimize usage and reduce waste. Regular consumption items in the short-term layer, durable goods like canned foods in the medium term, and essentials like freeze-dried meals for long-term emergencies. This method is more than a nod to our ancestors' wisdom. It's a practical solution tailored to the challenges of modern living, blending historical insight with current needs for sustainability and efficiency. Next, it's all about making the most of your space. Whether it's the house pantry for daily items, an extra prepper pantry for longer-term supplies, or even utilizing garage space for those really long-term items, it's like playing Tetris with your food. And who doesn't love a good game of pantry Tetris? Now that we've covered the fundamentals, it's time to explore the top 20 items that will form the core of your food storage system. These items are versatile, have extended shelf lives, and are suitable for various family needs. Let's get started with your comprehensive food storage checklist. 1. Water. The lifeline in any scenario. Storing enough water, 1 gallon per person per day, is crucial. And don't forget about different storage options and a filtration system. 2. Drink mixes. To combat the monotony of plain water, stock up on various drink mixes. Remember, variety is the spice of life, or in this case, the flavor of your water. 3. Meals ready to eat or MREs. For those times when cooking is just not on the cards, think canned soups and ready-to-eat meals for quick sustenance. 4. Beans and rice, the dynamic duo of the food storage world. They're the backbone of numerous dishes and a great source of protein and carbohydrates. 5. Fruits and vegetables. Don't forget your vitamins. Frozen, dried, or canned, these are essential for a balanced diet. 6. Flour and baking ingredients. Unleash your inner baker. Flour, yeast, baking powder, and soda are staples for a reason. 7. Pasta and noodles. A favorite among kids and adults, pasta is versatile and a great comfort food. 8. Sauce. Pasta's best friend. Stocking different types of sauces can turn a simple meal into a gourmet experience. 9. Spices and salt. The secret to making your meals taste different every day. A little spice goes a long way. 10. Oil and vinegar. Essential for cooking and can be used in various dishes, plus they have great shelf lives. 11. Peanut butter. A great source of protein and a favorite among kids. Peanut butter sandwiches, anyone? 12. Sweeteners. Sugar, honey, and other sweeteners can add a touch of sweetness to your life, especially in challenging times. 13. Milk. Variety is key here, with options like shelf-stable, almond, and evaporated milk. 14. Oatmeal. A wholesome breakfast option that can also be used in baking. 15. Meat. Think canned meats and freeze-dried options for that necessary protein intake. 16. Potatoes. Incredibly versatile and a great source of carbohydrates. Instant, canned, or flakes, they're a must-have. 17. Sweet snacks. Because everyone needs a little treat now and then, cereals and pancake mix can double up as snacks. 18. More baking supplies. Because one mention of flour and baking ingredients isn't enough. You'll thank yourself when you're craving homemade bread or cookies. 19. Miscellaneous items. Tailor this to your family's preferences. Cereal, pancake mix, and spices can add variety to your meals. 20. Organization tools. Keep your pantry in check with food-safe buckets and tight lids. A well-organized pantry is a happy pantry. Now here's a bonus tip to spice up your food storage game. Go digital. Think of it as giving your pantry a tech makeover. Use an app or a trusty spreadsheet to track those sneaky expiration dates, quantities, and even the nutritional content of your stash. It's like having a personal assistant for your beans and rice. Keeping this digital inventory fresh and updated means you're less likely to face a mystery can scenario or a flour famine. It's the perfect blend of old-school stocking up and 21st century tech, making your pantry management not just smart but also a little bit sassy. Creating a reliable and budget-friendly food storage system is all about balance and planning. By combining the insights from Part 1 and the detailed approach in Part 2, you're well on your way to building a pantry that not only caters to emergency situations but also enhances your daily meal planning. So there you have it. Practical and budget-friendly tips for building a comprehensive food storage system. Whether you're prepping for an emergency or simply aiming for better pantry management, these tips are sure to help. Now I'm curious to hear from you. What's your top tip or must-have item for an efficient food storage system? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful guides and tips to enhance your daily life. Remember, stay prepared, stay organized, and most importantly, stay positive. Happy storing!